plus enter. See, the first line is not working, but see what happens. Do you understand? The notepad does not have a mechanism of the mathematical expressions happening mathematics, but we provided this see so 5 into 4. Okay, got it? Any big expression it will do. Got it? It will do because it is doing in the just a notepad. Actually, so it will not happen, right? Suppose 7 plus something like that. Okay, any number, any mathematical expression, it is doing. Do you understand? This is like a trigger. So the trigger is working based on the mathematical expression. Suppose so 5 percentage 2. Okay, 9 enter 9 percentage 2. Okay, 9 divided by 2. Correct? Do you all understand? So what is so this type of things? So you can do very interesting things using the UiPath triggers. Do you understand what is going on? So let me explain the code again once again. So here, so we have a trigger scope. Within the trigger scope, so we use the enter key. So this is a trigger. So once once we click on that enter button, press enter in that particular notepad, it will go to the action block. In the action block, we surrounded with the try and catch. In that, so we are just getting the data from the notepad, whatever we are typing. So it will come entire thing. It will come entire thing, but we need only the last line. That's why you use see. First of all, we deleted the last enter character, and this is the code to get the last line. Understand? So we learn the last index of while we are learning the string methods. Last index of environment dot new line means, so this will come up here. Okay, this will give the last index of new line. Do you understand up to here? Just type yes or no in your chat window. What about others? Okay, so we got the last index. Then we're just taking here the last word contains the equal to, because so we're just pressing the, so that also we're just pressing the enter, right? So if we press enter, so it should not go for the calculation if that line contains the equal to. Yeah, so one assign operator is, suppose for example here, if I press enter, one assign operator is to remove this next line. Now it is a see to remove this one. Do you understand? To remove, just observe the cursor. To remove this one. Okay, the first assign operator, Surya. Okay, so what is this? 0, comma, from 0 onwards, it has to cut up to the length minus 1. Length minus 1 is only one character. The last one character you have to skip. But the full word we need. That means, so if I just enter, so we need all of these things, not this last one. Okay, the last line that is empty, we don't need. That's why this first assign operator. The next assign operator is taking the from the last. That means, so it is going for last enter and take the last line. Do you understand? Okay, now if we don't have a equal to means it will go then. Otherwise, if we don't have a equal to, we're just using the type into operator. The last word, whatever the expression we typed here, that expression we are typing, concatenating equal to and typing here. Okay, typing here. So as we just specify that this is a simulate type true, that's why it will work. So even though the Google Chrome is minimized, if the application is also minimized, it will work if you use the simulate type property. Okay, and it is a click activity. The click activity also having the similar type equal to true, because so it will work in the background hidden, even though the Chrome is not open, it is minimized. And once it is a type, the value which we typed in the notepad, click on the this button, this result will come, right? This result will take by the get activity, get text activity, and that result we are just going to the. So why we are just giving the backspace? Because we have to, so suppose for example we have to type in this above line, not the below line, right? That's why we just sending the send hotkey is the activity to send the hotkeys. Like suppose for example Control F, Control S, Alt, Control Shift, Delete. This kind of hotkeys if you want to perform, then you can use a send Windows send hotkeys. Then we just directly type the result, which is given by the this one.